What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy drizzlingtom, part of the goddamn Drizzle Squad. What's up, fam? Today we're reviewing Fanta Manguava. Ooh. Ooh. This is from Bulgaria. You can see this other language on the back. And, you know what? Let's just try it out. We gotta smell it, you guys. We gotta smell. It smells fruity. It smells fruity, you guys. All right, let me take a sip. Just get right to the chase. Ugh. No sugar, you guys. This is not sweet enough. These foreign sodas, man, they need to work on them. They need to work on these foreign sodas, man.
You sound like such a stereotypical American.
Ugh, one more sip to be sure, I guess. Ugh. Alright, guys, I'm gonna fuck around and give this a 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5. Bulgaria, you're letting me down. Alright, I guess that about does it, Drizzle Squad. Make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe. We gonna get fucking famous, bros. We gonna get famous. Hell fucking yeah. Alright, peace.